What's up, guys? Flyer329 here, and Cody asked me to make this video of unboxing his package. So I traded with Cody not too long ago, and he said he put a bunch of random stuff in here. So I'm actually pretty afraid to open this thing. Let me see if I can get this open with holding the camera at the same time without shaking it to death. This is really hard to do with one hand. What in the actual fuck? And there's a bag of wonders. There's Tyler Black / Seth Rollins, Justin Gabriel, and a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. A WrestleMania ticket. A Beaver Warrior, Peacock, the Furious Sea King, Jesus. I'm sure his coach still has these. Trap Hole, Mask of Darkness, Larvae Moth, and he gives me football cards. I don't even watch football. I don't even like football. Oh my god. He gave me his freaking work card. Griffin Wing. And then, whatever. Aw, dude, he's got a dog bone in here. That is dog 8. That's pretty gross. A tag title that's not shiny. Thanks, Cody. Sin Cara coat with the European Championship? Sick. Shawn Michaels thing? Handcuffs. Like, Cody, you told me you didn't have handcuffs, you lying bastard. A Miz shirt? Awesome, I hate the coat on that Miz. A moist towelette. You gotta be kidding me, Gorilla. CM Punk, I forgot what was it called. Another part of Shawn Michaels thing. TX glow sticks and a Cody Rhodes mask. Well, guys, that's my package from Cody, my wonderful package. Thanks for watching. See ya.